Today we are installing our sliding gate opener PYMA01. First we look at basic information of our sliding gate opener. Then look at its features. 1. The structure of integrated mechanic part and electronic part with built-in control panel. No any external controllers needed. 2. AC or DC for your optional DC motor. The systems come with overcurrent protection, can work with backup battery and solar power. 3. Soft start. Soft stop can avoid some accidents due to suddenly open or stop. 4. When the power failure, just use a release key to release device manually. Then you can move the gate manually. 5. Gate automatically stop and reopen when an obstacle is encountered. 6. Auto close time can be adjusted from approximately 3 to 120 seconds. 7. Control panel have the terminals for photocell, loop detector, IC card reader, alarm light, etc. 8. Quality assurance. Now exported to Southeast Asia, North America, Europe and other places. Now start installation. First step, locate the installation position, push the door line with the wall. In the horizontal direction of gate, make the mark at the place 30 cm from the wall. Ensure the gate motor alignment with the 30 m place of gate. In the vertical direction of the door, make the distance between the door and machine keep 7 cm. After confirm the place marked around the housing. Unscrew the screw fixed on the motor cover. Please remember the side with gears inside. Remove the motor housing. After confirmed, mark 4 hole positions in each corner of the base plate. And then using the drilling machine tools to drill holes. Later put back the base plate. Install expansion screws. Ladder. Remove the plastic motor cover. Put the wire through the hole on the bottom of the machine. Connect it to the terminal's power NL of control panel. Put the motor housing on the base plate. Embed the 2 screws and fix the motor with base plate. Cover the plastic casing and lock the screw of gate motor. Second step, install the gear rack. This is a 1 meter long rack. Open 3 screws plastic cover. Unscrew those screws. Let mounting the screw in the gear rack lock. And install it to the door. Solder the connection part between screw with door. Here is clutch device. Use the Allen key to release the clutch. And push the door closed manually. and then lock clutch devices. Third step, install magnets limit. The magnetism of those two magnets limit is reversed. The color is different. This magnet is for the close limit. This one is for the open limit. Last step, testing. Press one button to close. Press one button to open. The test is successful. The installation finished. If you have any questions, please contact us.